Happy day, students. Today we are going to learn euphemism or polite alternatives part 2 for higher secondary students. Some of the unpleasant words and their substitutes. Okay. First one, accidental death. What is it? Collateral damage. Second one, barber. What is euphemism? Hairdresser. Third one, blind. Visually impaired. Fourth one, cheap. Economical. Fifth one, dead. Dearly departed. Sixth one, deaf. Hearing impaired. Seventh one, death. Put to sleep or going to the other side. Eighth one, die. Bite the big one. Ninth one, died. Passed away. Kick the bucket. 10th one, fat, obese, big boned. 11th one, handicapped, differently able. 12th one, homeless, on the streets. 13th one, housewife, we use homemaker. 14th one, idiot, intellectually challenged. 15th one, killed, whacked. 16th one, killing someone, neutralizing the target. 17th one, poor, people in poverty. 18th one, retarded, mentally challenged. 19th one, short, vertically challenged. 20th one, stupid, academically challenged. 21st, toilet, restroom. 22nd, unemployed, between jobs. Now we shall see the exercise, students. Substitute the underlined word with the appropriate polite alternatives. First one, how long have you been unemployed? So what is the answer? Option B, between jobs. Second one, where is the toilet? So they have given 4 options. Option D is the correct answer. Option D, restroom. Third one, Raja is quite short, but his brothers are both really tall. So what is the correct answer? Option C, vertically challenged. Fourth one, misfortunes have rained heavily upon the old man. So old man, what is the euphemism? So it is senior citizens. Option B. Okay. Then last one, the president of our neighboring country died yesterday. So died, what is the euphemistic word? Passed away. Option C. Next exercise, replace the underlined word with an appropriate euphemism or substitute word or phrases or polite alternatives. First one, his death was a shock to his friends. Death here means big sleep. Okay. Next one, he died in his sleep. So second one, he passed away in his sleep. Third one, the Indian code doesn't permit human beings to be euthanized for any reason. So for euthanized we use put to sleep. The Indian code doesn't permit human beings to be put to sleep for any reason. Fourth one, the vet is going to kill my dog this evening. So it is, fourth one is put my dog to sleep. The vet is going to put my dog to sleep this evening. Fifth one, you see, the sports meet is for the handicapped. So handicapped means differently able. The sports meet is for the differently abled. And sixth one, you see, the criminals were kept in high security in the prison camp. So the criminals were kept in high security in the relocation center. Okay. Seventh, most of the youth were rebels during the British regime. So what do you mean by rebels here? Most of the youth were freedom fighters during the British regime. Eighth one, smoking a cigarette is prohibited in public places. So for cigarette we use torch of freedom. Smoking a torch of freedom is prohibited in public places. Ninth one, Vimala is fat or heavy or overweight. How should you say? Vimala is metabolically challenged or big boned. 10th one, my spouse is my moral strength in all my endeavors. Okay, that means my better half is my moral strength in all my endeavors. 11th one, Peter is having a wash in the bathroom. So Peter is having a wash in the restroom. Then 12th one, Rani had to undergo abortion for one of the twins because of medical reasons. So for abortion, selective reduction. Rani had to undergo selective reduction for one of the twins because of medical reasons. 13th one, abortion is a crime. So pregnancy termination is a crime. 14th one, unfortunately, the eldest of the 5 siblings was born a male homo. So here, unfortunately, the eldest of the 5 siblings was born a confirmed bachelor. So male homo here means confirmed bachelor. 15th one, you see, I dread genocide. Genocide here means ethnic cleansing. So I dread ethnic cleansing. 16th one, the coffin was made of teak wood. So coffin, you know, the bye-bye box kept for dead people. The bye-bye box was made of teak wood. 17th one, the twin boys weren't poor. So that means they were not economically disadvantaged. Okay, the twin boys are not economically disadvantaged. 18th one, Leela is broke. She just can't afford such a luxury trip now. So here broke means temporary negative cash flow. Okay, Leela has a temporary negative cash flow. She just can't afford such a luxury trip now. Moving on to 19th, Raja and Ravi live in the slum. So slum area, substandard housing or culturally deprived neighborhood. So Raja and Ravi live in the substandard housing or culturally deprived neighborhood. 20th one, you see, Dhanush was caught for bribing. That means for managing company stakeholders. So Dhanush was caught for managing company stakeholders. 21st, the old people in my church are always honored on World Elders Day. So old people here, already we saw, they are referred to as senior citizens. Okay, so 21st, we see the senior citizens in my church are always honored on World Elders Day. 22nd, the politicians have an exemption with the taxes. So what do you mean by taxes? User fees. So the politicians have an exemption with the user fees. Next you see, some of the youth are still unemployed. How should you say? Some of the youth are still between jobs. 24th, those below 18 are prohibited from consuming beer or liquor in a pub. So 24th, those below 18 are prohibited from consuming adult beverages in a pub. Okay, so beer or liquor means adult beverages. 25th, Shirley is short. That means Shirley is vertically challenged. 26th, Kutiama, who was mentally retarded from her childhood, survived till 49 because of her parents' love. So Kutima, who was mentally challenged from her childhood, survived till 49 because of her parents' love. Dear students, just refer the answers for all the sentences. Okay. You can refer from 21st also, you can refer. I have already said the answers. You can refer the answers up to 26. Then later we can illustrate, okay, euphemisms. You can see in the picture, you see, illustration will be easy for you to understand. The clowns are short. So, euphemistic word is vertically challenged. Okay, the clowns are vertically challenged. Next one, you see, her prowess is her moral strength. So, spouse means better half. Next, you see, Harish is handicapped. How should you say? differently abled. Harish is differently abled. Next you see, we need to euthanize the coronavirus. So put to sleep. Next, she is pregnant. That means she is in the family way. The coffin is made of teak wood. So coffin means bye-bye box. The bye-bye box is made of teak wood. Jane is broke, that she cannot afford to buy the flat. So broke means temporary negative cash flow. She is very much worried and she needs help. You can see Sam is fat, metabolically challenged or big bone. Next we see tax. We pay taxes. Taxes means user fees. Cigarettes are harmful to health. What do you mean by cigarettes? You should say torch of freedom. Next you see, they live in the slum. Slum area we say substandard housing or culturally deprived neighborhood. Next, rebels. They were rebels. How do we say? They are freedom fighters. So, dear students, hope you have understood euphemism. There are polite alternatives. So, hope you have understood everything. Please go through the video and then you will understand. So, with this, I wind up the class. Thank you.